Welcome to a realm where our beloved pets rule the roost. Prepare yourself for touching moments, hilarious adventures, and an overflow of furry cuteness. Come along as we set out on this enchanting journey together.
You should have been able to see it. Huh?
The cat curiously crawled into the bag, fell, and looked utterly confused. What just happened?
Okay. Don't talk to me. I'm busy. Don't say nothing. I got it. Ah, no!
Good idea.
The girl was surfing, and then only the surfboard remained. Where'd she go?
Don't know where she went. There's the board.
The man tried to help the cat down, but he fell instead, collapsing the floor. Oops.
Get up.
Come on, Josie. Oh my God! Evil! Josie, out! Are you okay? Oh my God!
The cat cried mournfully during neutering, looking completely betrayed. Why, human!
It's trying to headbutt me, bro. Nope.
The goat looked puzzled after hearing the man sing about a cat. What's he on about? The birds fluttered in confusion when the hand that fed them was empty. Where's the food? The cat stuck in a bag pawed around, looking utterly confused and frustrated.
Hold up. Get up there.
The dog's face was pure surprise and discomfort after tasting a lemon. What is this? The cat aimed for the table but missed and fell, wide-eyed with shock.
Jump, 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 jump. Oh, you almost made it.
Milo.
Stop it. Stop, you're scaring me.
The cat plays with its owner,
You're
flashing a
scaring me.
mischievous grin. Trouble's brewing.
I said no. Stop being ratchet. Get off me. We're done. We are over. Go.
The owner placed water on the table, but the cat spilled it, looking defiant. Take that!
Oh my gosh. She got stuck. Oh, I just love this game.
The cat plays with its owner, flashing a mischievous grin. Trouble's brewing.
Get the fish. Come on.
The kitten, playing with a toy, accidentally hit its mom, who looked seriously annoyed.
Are you videotaping it?
The black dog hesitated, then
Scout, you
fell
better
in with a
move.
startled yelp as the other dogs jumped. Poor thing.
Ma sei scemo!
The joyful dog leaped right into a pond, emerging with pure surprise on its face.
You stuck on there or what?
The man was focused on grilling, then suddenly fell. Surprise BBQ fail!
What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh god. Oh god!
Okay.
The owner cut onions, making the cat nearby tear up, blinking in discomfort.
Lily, are your eyes okay?
The owner pointed at the cat and it swiped back irritably. Not today! The cat showed displeasure, and when bothered again, it hissed angrily, "Back off!" Thanks for laughing with us. Stay tuned for more pet fun and subscribe for your
pets.
daily joy.